Cook the potatoes for the pigs. To do this, pour water from a bucket into the pot. Then add potatoes to the pot with water and cover the pot with a lid. To light the fire, put 3 pieces of wood and ignite them with a match. Pigs are very hungry. Prepare them healthy food. To do this, shred the potatoes and put them back in the pen. Then, add the leaves on the wheelbarrow. Add the feed from the bag, and then pour the water from the bucket. When the food is ready, give it to the hungry pigs. There is no more room in the pigsty for the small pigs which are to be born. That's why the farmer decided to sell the pigs. Help the farmer load the pigs on the trailer. Then, drive away with a tractor. The dog and the cat live on the farm. The animals are already hungry and thirsty. Feed them with what they like best. by mice. Help the cat catch them so they do not eat the grain and flour. Build a cage for rabbits so they have a place to live and are warm. Feed and water the rabbits which are in the cage. Farmers intend to plant new apple trees on the farm. To do this, buy the apple trees and put them on the trailer. Do not forget to pay for the purchased trees.